Wondering what causes your blood sugar to spike even after eating home-cooked meals? Let's find out. Number 1. Use an open vessel instead of a pressure cooker to cook your rice. Remove the excess water that contains the starch. This will help you control your blood sugar. Number 2. You aren't including enough fiber in your diet. Add fiber-rich foods like green leafy vegetables, berries, whole grain cereals, oats, corn, and legumes to your diet. Number 3. Stop adding dry fruits to your meals. For example, in Indian recipes, people tend to add raisins to pulao and biryani. Number 4. Avoid juicing your fruits, as it removes the fiber and increases the sugar concentration, which further spikes your blood sugar levels. Consume them raw and fresh. And number 5. You aren't eating a balanced meal. Your plate should consist of all the essential nutrients, that is protein, fibers, carbs, and fats. If you have any other diet-related or diabetes-related concerns, please let us know in the comments below, and we will try to help you with the best expert advice.